Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your cross-cultural skills with Cultural Vistas, complete guide step by step clearly. To increase your cross-cultural skills with Cultural Vistas, start by familiarizing yourself with the concept of cross-cultural competence. Research the importance of understanding different cultures in today's globalized world. Explore the various programs offered by Cultural Vistas, such as internships and fellowships that immerse participants in diverse environments. Identify your specific goals for enhancing your cross-cultural skills. Visit the Cultural Vistas website to gather detailed information about their offerings. Consider joining a Cultural Vistas program that aligns with your professional and personal objectives. Engage in pre-program workshops or webinars provided by Cultural Vistas to prepare for your experience. Network with past participants to gain insights and tips based on their experiences. Before traveling, familiarize yourself with the culture and customs of your host country. Learn key phrases in the local language to facilitate communication. Set aside time to reflect on your personal biases and assumptions about other cultures. During your program, immerse yourself fully in the local culture by participating in community events. Keep a journal to document your experiences, observations, and feelings throughout your journey. Practice active listening when engaging with individuals from different backgrounds. Seek feedback from peers and mentors about your cross-cultural interactions. Post-program, take time to debrief and analyze what you learned about cross-cultural communication. Consider continuing your language education for ongoing development. Join local cultural organizations or clubs to maintain your skills and expand your network. Share your experiences with others to encourage cross-cultural dialogue in your community. Regularly seek new cross-cultural opportunities to apply and enhance your skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.